Anda masih bersama kami di Zona Bisnis, pemirsa. Calon Menteri Pertahanan Amerika Serikat pilihan Donald Trump, Pete Hegseth, menjadi sorotan karena tidak tahu negara-negara di Asia Tenggara saat uji kepatutan dan kelayakan oleh anggota Kongres.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Before I begin my questioning, I would like to make three.
Mr. Hegseth, what is the highest level of international negotiations that you have engaged in, that you have led in? Because the Secretary of Defense does lead international security negotiations. There are three main ones that the Secretary of Defense leads and signs. Can you name at least one of them?
Could you repeat the question, Senator?
Sure. What is the highest level of international security agreement?
Jadi dalam siaran uji kelayakan yang digelar Senat Amerika Serikat pada hari Selasa 14 Januari, Hegseth mulanya ditanya oleh Senator Tammy Duckworth mengenai pemahamannya akan Indo-Pasifik. Duckworth juga meminta Hegseth untuk menyebutkan setidaknya satu negara di ASEAN, namun alih-alih menjawab dengan tepat, Hegseth justru menyebutkan 3 negara yang tidak berada di kawasan Asia Tenggara yang tergabung dalam ASEAN. Hegseth adalah mantan pembawa acara Fox News yang ditunjuk Trump menjadi calon Menteri Pertahanannya. Hegseth memiliki latar belakang di bidang militer, yakni pernah bergabung dengan Garda Nasional Angkatan Darat.
You're not qualified, Mr. Hegseth. You're not qualified. You talk about repairing our defense industrial complex. You're not qualified to that. You talked about the Indo-Pacific a little bit, and I'm glad that you mentioned it. Can you name the importance of at least one of the nations in the ASEAN, and what type of agreement we have with at least one of those nations? And how many nations are in ASEAN, by the way?
I couldn't tell you the exact
No, you
amount of
couldn't,
nations
because
in
you've
that,
not
but I
even
know we have
bothered to
allies
do-
in South Korea and Japan and in AUKUS with Australia, trying to work
Okay.
on submarines with them.
Mr.
and data
Hegseth,
transfers
none
with
of those
them.
countries
We
are
have
in
allies
ASEAN.
across.
None of those 3 countries that you've mentioned are in ASEAN. I suggest you do a little homework before you prepare